how do you go about stopping witnesses from sitting in the courtroom and listening to trial testimony? Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today in this quick educational video about witnesses and listening to trial testimony. So you're sitting up in your trial and you notice that your trial is getting ready to start, and you see a couple of the witnesses talking amongst themselves. You don't know what they're talking about, but you're wondering to yourself, is there a way for me to stop them when the trial starts from listening to each other's testimony? Well, if you're thinking this and you have these questions, you are on the right path, because that's very important. And this is a really important concept that can come up in not only Maryland civil trials, but criminal trials. When you have a situation like this and you have witnesses, you can invoke what we call the rule on witnesses. Either side can invoke this rule. And what you're asking the court to do is you're asking the court to have any witnesses who are going to testify in that particular trial to have to wait outside. And also, once they get outside, the judge will also instruct them not to talk about their testimony amongst themselves. So they're not to talk with each other about their testimony. The reason that this is important, and the reason why you may want to invoke this rule, is because it prevents the witnesses from listening to the trial testimony in open court and possibly changing their testimony to fit what has already been testified to in trial. So you want that witness to have to rely on their own personal knowledge and their own memory when they get up to the witness stand. Now, you've got to also understand that there are exceptions to this particular rule. For example, expert witnesses. Expert witnesses, they do not have to leave the courtroom when trial testimony is going on. They can sit in the courtroom and listen to trial testimony in open court. So there are some exceptions to this rule. But I realize that if you're watching this video right now, you probably have more questions. You're probably wondering, well, are you even the victim of medical malpractice? You could be wondering that also. Well, if you have these particular questions and concerns, and your matter happened here in Maryland, this is what I invite you to do. Go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. We answer medical malpractice questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.